Students, today we are going to see second chapter Endogenetic Movements. Endogenetic means internal movements of the earth. Look at the page 1. Here is given one activity. Read the following news. Observe the photograph and answer the questions. Textbook page number 9. Here is given one news and one photograph regarding to news. You have to observe it very carefully and try to find out answers of given questions. Question number 1. What caused the large scale casualties? Answer. Calamity of earthquake led to large scale casualties. Question number 2. What was the magnitude of the earthquake? Answer. The magnitude of the earthquake was 7.9 Richter scale. Question number 3. Which country was the most affected because of this earthquake? Answer. Nepal was the most affected because of this earthquake. Question number 4. Where was the epicenter of the earthquake? Answer. Lamjung in Nepal was the epicenter of the earthquake. Question number 5. Which are the other affected areas? Look at the figure. Look at the photograph. Answer. Bihar, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh in India, as well as China, Bhutan, Pakistan and Bangladesh were affected by earthquake. Question number 6. At what depth was the focus located? Answer. Focus of the earthquake was located at depth of 11 km. Question number 7. What kind of damage is seen because of the earthquake? Answer. Nearly 1500 people were killed and over 1000 people were injured in the disaster. Question number 8. According to you, what could be the reason behind the earthquake? Answer. Sudden release of energy from the interior of the earth leads to earthquake. Question number 9. Have you ever experienced a similar earthquake? Discuss. This answer you must write by own because there may be various answers as per the student's opinion. In this way, we have seen activity number 1, which is given here on page number 9. Student must write questions and answers in their notebooks. Look at the figure here. Some notebooks are arranged on a table. You have to see figure. If we remove some notebooks from downside, the sequence of the notebooks is changing, and due to the removing notebook, upper portion surface of the notebook is shaking and things are falling down. In the same manner here, when some movements are taken place in the earth crust, upper surface of the earth is moving and that movement is called earthquake. Geographical explanation. Earthquake and volcanoes occur because of instability of the earth crust. Instability created due to the movements occurring in the earth crust. Instability is created due to the internal movements of the earth such as earthquake and volcanoes. Due to earthquake and volcanoes, earth crust is shaking and moving, and that movement is called earthquake or volcanoes. Generally, the movements in the earth interior occur in the upper layer of the mantle. You would have been learnt it, mantle, core, such kinds of concepts you might be learnt in previous classes. Due to the tremendous energy is released by radioactive material in the mantle, such kind of movements are happen in the earth crust. These energy waves travel from one place to another. Due to such a flow of energy, instability is caused in the mantle. The movements are classified on the basis of their velocity, means speed. Velocity means speed, direction, and the landforms they produced. Let's see students. Here is given table classification of internal movements. First given basis of classification and second movements. As we have seen, movements are classified on the basis of their velocity, their direction and their landforms. First we will see velocity. On the basis of velocity, there are given two kinds of movement. One, slow movements occurring continuously like formation of mountains and continents. Second, sudden movements in the form of events like earthquake, volcanoes. Second movement which is based on direction. There are also two kinds of movements on the basis of direction. One, horizontal movements and two, upward downward movements. 3. Landforms. Movements, those are based on landforms. There are also two kinds of movements. One, continent building, creating continents, plateaus and highlands. B. Mountain building, folding and faulting. These two kinds of movements are on the basis of landforms. Hello students. Today we are going to see endogenetic movements. In endogenetic movements, first we are going to see slow movements. What is mean by slow movement? Here the definition is given here. Slow movements, the movements in the interior of the earth that are caused by continuous and slow release of energy are called slow movements, slow internal movements. Slow internal movements give rise to mountains and continents. It means due to the slow movements there is a creation of mountains and continents. Slow movements are divided into two groups. First, mountain building movements and two, continent building movements. In mountain building movements, there are three kinds of landscapes or landforms. First one, fold mountains. Second, block mountains. And third, rift valley. These three landscapes are created due to the slow movements due to the mountain building movements. And B, continent building movements. Effects of mount building movements are the creations of different landscapes such as fold mountains, block mountains and rift valley. These are the creations due to the mountain building movements and these are the effects of mountain building movements. Students, look at the page number 11. There is given one activity which is regarding to slow movements. How slow movements do work in the interior part of the earth. Look at the activity and you have to do at home. Take a 30 centimeter long paper strip. Place your hands on both the ends of the strip, just which is given already in the picture. Then move both the hands towards each other, giving pressure on the strip. And observe what happens to the strip. Look at figure 2.5a and 2.5b. When we put pressure at the end of the strip, the middle part, there is a process compression and middle part become a fold. In activity 1, the strip was moved by placing hands on both sides or both ends. The work performed on the strip at that time is called compression. Pressure was given on the center of the strip from both the ends. As a result, the strip moves and folds are formed. Similarly, due to pressure on the Earth's crust, movements are generated and folds are formed. In the same manner, there is a creation of fold mountains in the Earth crust. Students, now look at the figure which is given on page number 12. Folding. Due to the compression, there is process happen which is folding. In the second figure 2.6b, folded part of mountain. The folded part of mountain is looking like this. And figure 2.7, image of the Himalayas and adjacent areas. Due to the compression, image of Himalaya is looking like this. Now we are going to see fold mountains, because we know that fold mountains is the creation of slow movements, is the creation of mount building movements. First landscape which is created by the mount building movements, that is fold mountains. Now we are going to see how they are created, how they are made. Due to the energy waves working towards each other. Energy waves, those are created in the internal part of the earth. They are working towards each other and in horizontal way. The layer of the soft rocks are folds. As a result, the surface of the earth gets uplifted and fold mountains are formed. For example, the Himalayas, the Aravallis, the Rockies, the Andes and the Alps. These are the fold mountains, and these mountains are the creation of mount building movements. Children, now we have seen due to the compression there are the creations of fold mountains. Now in this activity we are going to see tension. Because due to the internal tension, there is a creation of block mountain. Look at this activity and you have to do at home. First, you have to take a long strip of thin paper, just which is given here in figure 2.8 and 2.8a and 2.8b. Take a long strip of thin paper, then hold one end of the paper in your right hand. Hold the other in your left hand. Pull both the ends away from each other. Observe what happens to the paper strip. In activity number 2, tension is created when you pull both the ends away from each other. Similarly, when movements occur in opposite direction to each other, tension is generated and faults are formed in the earth's crust. So there is a creation of, in the same manner, there is a creation of block mountains in the earth crust. Now we are going to see block mountain. What is meant by block mountain? A raised portion of the earth's crust between two parallel faults is called a block mountain. Listen once again. A raised portion of the crust between two parallel faults is called a block mountain. When a part of earth crust between two parallel faults is lifted up, a block mountain is formed. Block mountains are formed due to tension. And the Black Forest Mountains of Europe and Meghalaya Plateau of India are formed due to the tension in the earth crust. Look at the figure 2.9. Effect of tension block mountain. Just see some information about block mountain and effects of tension and how is the creation of block mountain. Due to the energy waves moving away from each other and the horizontal way, the tension of the layers of rocks increase and it leads to formation of fractures. Fractures means faults in rocks. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rocks also form faults due to compression. When a part of earth crust is between two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. Such a landform is known as block mountain. For example, Black Forest Mountains in Europe, Meghalaya Plateau of India are the creations of block mountain. The hilltops of block mountains are flat. Look at the figure. Hilltop surface area is flat. In the early stages, they do not have any peaks because their structure is flat. So such kind of structure do not have any peak. Their slopes are stiff. Look at the figure 2.9b Meghalaya Plateau. Then you can understand how the block mountain looks like. Students, here is given one activity and you have to try this. Take 3 notebooks of the same size. Hold them on tightly on a table keeping a distance of 2 to 3 centimeter. Remove the 2 notebooks on each and away from the central one. Observe what happens. Draw the diagram emerging because of the notebooks in your own notebook. It is an activity and this activity you have to do by own at your home. Now third creation of mountain building movements is rift valleys. First we are going to see what is meant by rift valley. The area of subsidence between two adjoining faults is called a rift valley. Look at the figure. This is the picture of rift valley. It means rift valley is looking like this picture. Sometimes two fractures develop side by side in the earth crust. The land between the two fractures subsides, means getting down. This subsided deep part is called rift valley. For example, the rift valley of river Narmada in India. Means Narmada valley is the creation of rift valley. The great rift valley of Africa and the Rhine river rift valley of Europe. These valleys are the creations of mountain building movements. It means slow movements. Children, look at the figure 2.10b. There is given picture rift valley of Narmada. It means this kind of valley is called rift valley. In this way, we have seen mountain building movements and creation of mountain building movements, fold mountains, block mountains and rift valleys. Now we are going to see second slow movement, that is called continent building movements. Due to some slow movements, a vast part of earth crust is uplifted, raised or gets subsided. When the part of earth crust is uplifted above the mean sea level, the continents are formed. Extensive plateaus can be formed because of such movements. It means there is a creation of plateaus due to the continent building movements. Extensive plateaus can be formed because of such movements. If the originally continental portion of the crust subsides below the sea level, it forms a part of the seabed. Extensive plateaus can be formed because of such movements. It means Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Bhagelkhand Plateaus. Such kind of plateaus are made due to the continent building movements. In this way, we have seen continent building movements. Student must draw all diagrams. Those are in chapter. And all activities are compulsory to do for the students. In this way, in this video, we have seen slow movements. In next video, we will see sudden movements of the earth crust. Textbook reading is very important. Without textbook reading, you cannot understand anything. So you have to read textbook very carefully.